Welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will understand what is a product or sprint review meeting in Scrum. As always, it is a time box meeting, maximum 4-hour meeting for 1 month long sprint and even shorter for short duration sprints. Remember, it is all about being crisp and clear about the agenda of the meeting. Held at the end of the sprint to review the output of the sprint. In this meeting, everyone, the stakeholders, the Scrum team member discuss on what was created during the sprint. Scrum team and stakeholders are present. As I said, all the team members present talk about the product increment or the deliverable of the sprint. So, during this meeting, Scrum Master ensures that all the attendees understand what is meant by time boxing. So, whatever feedback or whatever discussion that happened, Scrum Master ensures that it goes in a flow and it is a productive input to the Scrum team. Next one, the result. It is a revised product backlog. Now when the output of sprint is presented to the stakeholders of the product, there might be suggestions, there might be feedback. So sprint review meeting is used especially for accounting for this particular feedback from the stakeholders. In this way, Scrum team is clear about how they are performing in the eyes of the stakeholder. At the same time, Scrum team understands that where exactly the product is going with whatever feedback that has been achieved. That's it from the sprint review meeting. Thank you so much for watching.